As a child, we'd always set up the Christmas train. Our Christmas train being O-gauge, it was very hard to keep up after Christmas. I had managed to set up a piece of wood to display my trains on and keep them up after Christmas, but it seemed like it was a tight fit, that I couldn't display enough on it. Me getting an HO train for Christmas changed everything. I immediately began work on my new layout, this time incorporating scenery. I laid my track plan out on a piece of foam and traced it to know where everything would go. I then laid out the roadbed. The hills were made entirely out of foam. It soon became time to add the grass. We then made the lake using Woodland Scenic's realistic water. I then moved on to paving a road. I proceeded to add general shrubbery and that of the sort. After that, my layout was basically complete. A lot of the track you see here was actually given to me by my 8th grade English teacher after he saw that I was reading some train magazines. Now that my layout is complete, I feel very complete. I also had tons of help from a great video that I'll list in the description for anyone wanting to try this themselves. Now please enjoy. Ooh, they don't train you for that. You know, I should really replace that track. You know, this engine is a C44-9W, model number 9632 if you want to be union specific. Huh?